We got the squirrels and the birds. Squirrel is right here. There the bird is. Come on. Come on, Woody. There the squirrel is. There the bird is. There's the woodpecker and there's the squirrel. Look at them. They playing around and around the tree. All right, time for that woodpecker to get on the boat. Get on the boat, woodpecker. Get on the boat. Fly on. Get on the boat. Hurry up. There you go. Get some of them pecans. Get you some pecans. Get another mouthful. Get another mouthful. Get another mouthful. Get another mouthful. One more. One more. One more. One more. Do it, woodpecker. Do it, bow-legged woodpecker. Do it. One more. That woodpecker. Get down now. Get down now, that woodpecker. I'm only about 8 to 10 feet. That bird looks like there's something wrong. Here comes a squirrel right here. That squirrel talking about, ho, 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 ho. Look at that squirrel. Got his head looking over the fence. Now, why'd you run that? I'm going to stop this video. I'm going to get some more pecans. Them things is right there. Is that squirrel right there and that bird's right there. I'm going to stop this video. Stop.